Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Saad and I will resolve some FCCs ticket which is T118. So there is this ticket which is two financial controller, Tabby can view C underscore 101 entity and Adina can view C underscore 102. Okay, so this is the I need to give Tabby a power to view this particular entity C underscore 101 and Adina can view this particular entity. That simply means they cannot view the entity right now because it may be not maybe it is because of they are maybe a normal user only. So I will just create the Tabby and Adina accounts for creating the example. Just give me a minute. Oh, okay. So let me create the users. Name with Tabby and username with I will give a unique password. Okay, Tabby and I've given a whole power, but I need to give only user power only. So I will simply remove all and give a user power only. Demo user and okay, simple this user. Tabby and Alina has created. So Alina will be here. I Alina. I will give a user power over here. Okay, so I have created two users which is Tabby and Alina, so they have user power. So what's the problem? Users don't have access for that particular entity. I will just complete them the access for those two entities. So in my ticket, Tabby need to view this particular entity C underscore 101 and Alina can view C underscore 102. Sorry. Sorry. So let me just go to overview. Sorry, not. So I will go to dimensions now and give the access for those particular entity. I will go to entity and entity which I need to give access is C underscore 101. I'll simply go over here on assign access. So I'll create on add and the user that I've created Tabby, I will select it. So I will give him read access just because he just want to view that particular entity. I will give the right access when I want him to edit any data or anything else. So I will simply now giving read access only. So that's it. Here you can see use the tab E, access right is read, relation is member. And the other one is C underscore 101 102. For this I will give access to Alina. Okay, I'll close this. Alina, read, access right and relation member. Now we'll just refresh the database. Finish. So now I've given both the user access for this particular entity. Let me see whether there is any form which is already created, or I will just create a new form. Okay, form is not there. Let me just quickly create one new form. Tabby and Alina I am creating. I will create a new form. Tabby and Alina. Account, I will mention it over here, accounts and those, and in columns I will mention entities because I want to see for both the entities. Okay, so now we'll define the period. Period is January. Scenario will be actual. Currency is entity currency. Data source will be data input. No intercompany, no product. Year is FY15. Periodic, no movement. Entity, I will choose descendant inclusive over here. Okay, entity, I will create two entities. One column I will also add. Here I will define C underscore 101. I can write simply C underscore 102 also. And let me just save this form. from here I can preview this form as well. So I'm admin, I can edit the data. I've just given the view access to Alina and Tabby only. So now I will just simply show you that they got a viewer access. I will give a name Tabby. I will log in from the username Tabby. So I am logged in from Tabby. He is just a normal user. Advanced consolidation. So I'll go to data to see the forms. Forms are not visible that I created. Is it saved or not? Let me see. Save. Finish. Okay. Let me see it again. Okay, I've created an reporting inside. Okay, so I have given him view access, so he can just view the data in it. Any data is there, but he don't have any editing rights for this particular entity. That we can also give to these particular users. So how you can give it, that I will also show. Now he can view that, but for giving more information I'll just simply tell you how you can give access as well. I'll go to entity and click on C_101. Okay, I'll give a read access. I'll simply edit this and now I'll give the write access, and okay, Tabby I will select and set it. Now I've given him the write access. Let's see whether he'll be able to edit or not the form or not. Okay, so now let's see whether I have a editing right or not. I'll just refresh this. Okay, so here you can see I got the editing right because I have given the right access now to Tabby, but he cannot edit this particular entity but only this, for which I have given the right. Okay, so I can edit it and save it also because I have given the rights over here. So this is how you can give the access and rights to other users similarly. So now let's move on to other ticket, which is to create action menu for text data forward and back US text detail. We can create a new action menu. So I will select this form only, tab E, or I will just create a one action menu for this any text form. I'll tell you how you can create that action menu. I will go to navigator. From here you can see the first option in the under create and manage, which is action menus. I'll simply add this. So I will give a name as text details. I'll open it and edit it. I'll add a child over here and I will give a name, menu name, US text details. Label as same, I will give a same name. You can leave it. Any form you can attach, either URL you can also attach, any business rule you can add, type you can select, and also change status, menu header, previous form, copy version. So now I'll simply selecting URL only. Required parameter I am leaving it. URL I will paste it over here any. So I'll simply now searching the site US details. I will write it over here text details. So I will give only this URL attach. You for just telling you the example, in real you will attach real URL, any the URL that is required. So I'm just pasting this only for example purpose. So now I will just simply save this. The form that I've created, I will go to that form only, data. Okay, so I have to put action menus over here. It is not over here right now, but I will give it. So I need to go over here and simply edit this form. At the last you can see other options. From here I can add action menus, which is text detail by name, you can see, and I will simply save this. The action menus that I have created, I have saved this. Okay, so I will go to Alina, Debian Alina form, and now you can see under the action menu US text detail is coming. So when I will click this, it will take me to that particular link that I have attached. Similarly, you can attach data form, business rules for this, any consolidation rule you can attach, or you can say create action menus for that particular also. So that's how we can create action menus. So we have resolved this ticket as well. Now the another one is create data validation rule, employee form where bonus is greater than salary, highlight with red. Okay, just give me a second, sorry, a minute. Okay, so now let's continue. I will add the accounts over here for bonus and salary. Let me see any bonus and salary accounts are there or not. No, it's not giving me edit option now. Okay, we can go to again forms only. Okay, I have logged from this. Here I will have the rights because I am that's login from user, normal user. Now I am logged from admin over here. What I will do, I will take the accounts. Let me see any salary account is there or not. Okay, salaries is there. I will select salaries. This I will remove. Salaries, wages and salaries. Bonus is there or not? Let me see. Bonus is not there. Okay, bonus is also there. So I will simply add this and I will click separate for this. Place selection is separate rows. They will be separated and save this. So I have attached two accounts. Now what I can do, I can give a validation rule. From where I can give the validation rule, here you can see in the form itself the validation rule option is there. Add, I will click on add over here simply. So I will click on a column A, new rule. Okay, let it be if current cell value, okay, is greater than cell value A1 is coming. A2, okay, I have B1. Let me take B2, B1 only. Here I will select B2 and I will add one more condition, add, and then I will simple process cell and mark up one more. I will mark it as red. You can validate this, the rule has no error, and I'll simply click on OK and save this. Now I will simply open the form. Okay, so I put it the formula in this column B1, B2. So if it is greater than where it is marked as red now. When the salary is greater than bonus, it is marked as red. You can give any other color. It is green color you can give. So I have given the condition this only in the form that I have shown you. The edits you can see those conditions. Here validation is rule. Okay. Okay, so you can do this now. It's not showing now, but you can see the rule again. So that how you can give a validation rule and do a conditional formatting as well. I hope this is clear to you all. So if there is any query, you can contact us on www.bispsolutions.com. So thank you so much for watching.